Hi Jari, it's Woldy here. I'm chef and owner of Woldy Cucina. I'm in my kitchen in Brooklyn, New York, Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, New York, and I dressed up for this. You're supposed to have dinner with me, so when you go to a dinner date with me, you are dressed up. So I'm dressed up in this nice floral shirt and obviously denim, and I'm gonna share with you this really delicious dish called chocolate champorado. Well, it's not really a dish, it's more like a dessert of some sort. So this chocolate champorado is like a Filipino chocolate rice porridge or rice pudding. And this is a special treat where my twin brother and I, Wally, would go over to our grandmother's house and she would serve us this on rare occasion of a chocolate rice pudding or chocolate champorado. So it's really close to my heart, to my childhood, and I love my brother so much. And I'm excited to share with you this recipe. The recipe is really simple. It probably has like five ingredients or less. And I'm using leftover basmati rice, plain basmati rice. You can certainly substitute it for any plain rice. Sticky rice is actually one of the key ingredients into this dish, but like I'm using leftover basmati. And then I have coconut milk, and then I'm gonna steep some fresh ginger root into the coconut milk, and then dark chocolate, and then that's kind of like it. It's like a really delicious, sweet, and comforting dessert, especially during this time. You need a little bit more comfort. So in a medium saucepan, we're gonna warm up some coconut milk, and then add in a fresh piece of ginger root, and we're gonna let this come to a slight boil and simmer. Add in the dark chocolate. And you wanna stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Then we're gonna add in salt. You can have the option to remove the ginger, but I'm gonna leave the ginger and remove it to the very end. And then now we're gonna add in our rice. And then we're gonna stir it. And then we're gonna bring it to a boil. And then when it comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat and then let it simmer for about 5 to 7 or 8 minutes. Just break up all those rice. And that's it. But after 5 to 8 minutes, this is what the chocolate champorado looks like, or the basmati chocolate rice pudding or porridge. And it's sort of like luscious, smooth, creamy, and then I'm just gonna show you how to basically plate it. So I'm in my couch. I'm about to enjoy this chocolate champorado. I garnish it with some sliced crystallized ginger, raw cashews, and golden raisins, and then I'm just gonna give it a try. It's not too sweet. I love the chocolate and the coconut milk in there, and then adding all these toppings creates this sort of like chewy, crunchy texture. It's super delicious. I really hope that you guys make this at home and Please stay safe, healthy, and positive. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Woldy Cucina and see what else I'm cooking up on my feed. Bye, everyone.